you remember when you walked away? When all of our embers became ashes of grey. But I've been going time again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. And if I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. Do you remember when you said you'd stay? When all of our memories kept us feeling okay. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. If I can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. I don't wanna say goodbye. Missing you for a long time. I remember the first time we met. Your smile was a light I can't forget. The way you looked, so soft and bright, made me feel like everything's alright. In your eyes I saw a world unknown. With every word I felt less alone. The touch of your hand, so warm and kind, I never thought I'd feel this way inside. First love so pure and true, a feeling so strong it's me and you. Every moment feels like a dream. In your arms, I'm where I wanna be. First love will never let it go. Together we'll make our hearts glow. No matter where life Days go by, but it feels the same. Every whisper of your name, the way you laugh, the way you care. In every second I feel you there. In your eyes I see the future clear. A place for us without any fear. With every step we're making memories. First love is our sweetest story.